Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Tribonet. My name is Manoj. Today, in this video, let us learn about toolware monitoring using artificial intelligence. In industries, the failure of even a small part could result in a significant operational disruptions or pose serious hazards. Precision manufacturing plays a key role in ensuring that parts meet these stringent requirements by producing components with exact dimensions and tight tolerances. This means that every part is crafted with a high degree of accuracy, ensuring it functions exactly as intended, even in the extreme conditions like high pressure, temperature fluctuations, or high stress environments. By achieving this level of precision, the risk of failure is greatly reduced, ensuring that the machinery and systems in these industries operate reliably over time. Why is toolware monitoring required? Implementing tool condition monitoring ensures that essential components such as aero engine, low pressure turbine casings are produced with high precision and quality standards. During the manufacturing process on a vertical lathe, a human inspector regularly pauses the work to visually check toolware, ensuring that it remains within the acceptable limits. If the toolware is found to be unacceptable, it could lead to damage to the workpiece or insufficient material removal. In such cases, this could result in excessive forces being applied to the next tool, potentially causing it to fail or cause the further damage. Therefore, inspecting the workpiece in these situations is crucial to prevent compounding issues and ensure the continued quality and safety of the manufacturing process. How can artificial neural network help in monitoring? Versatility of the ANN. ANN offers a wide range of options for users to obtain the most accurate findings regarding machining results, making them highly versatile for different applications. Preferred AI method. Compared to the other AI techniques, ANN is the most preferable due to its flexible, fast learning capabilities and its ability to function without requiring expert intervention. Handling large data. ANN inspired by human learning models can manage vast amount of the data which would otherwise require a significant human effort and time, making it ideal for handling surplus sensorial data from cutting area sensors in TCM. High accuracy in machining. ANN has proven to be highly accurate in estimating machining parameters for processes like turning, milling, grinding, and drilling, offering reliable results for various manufacturing tasks. Data requirements for ANN. ANNs require a large datasets to be divided into training and test classes for effective learning. Without sufficient data, challenges like low accuracy, failure detection issues, and insufficient models learning may arise. Firstly, the data collection happens, then data pre-processing, then processing, then feature extraction, feature selection, and then the ANN model verifies it, and then it goes to the toolware prediction. Conclusion. ANNs are highly effective for modeling complex behaviors and relationships, making them ideal for the tasks that require handling intricate patterns and dynamic data. They come in various typologies, providing flexibility to address a wide range of challenges across the industries. However, ANNs can be computationally intensive, requiring long training times, especially for a large datasets and complex models. Additionally, they involve numerous of parameters that need expert optimization for achieving optimal performance. These are the references for the information provided in this video. In this video, we understood what are the needs for the toolware monitoring in industries and how can ANN help in toolware monitoring and the conclusions. Thank you for watching this video, and to get more details on the topics related to tribology, follow us on our social media pages on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Tribonet. Also visit our website on www.tribonet.org.